Okay guys, so here I'm going to give you the top down analysis on the dollar index. So as you can see on the dollar index, after making this impulsive move from the downside, that's from $89, we broke this resistance here sitting at $103, and we came back. Currently we came back to the resistance turn support. So let's zoom in. All right, so you can see after this impulsive move to the upside, we broke and then we came back now, and then we are retesting. So we expect the market to reject on this area. So let's go down to our weekly time frame. So on our weekly time frame here, you will see that we have the market in an uptrend, and then bringing in my trend line. We are currently sitting on the third touch there. So sitting on the third touch there, let me mark out my highs right at the top there, and then we have this move from this downside, created these highs, made a retest, a rejection, and then created these highs. But then if you like, let me say, take out from this highs all the way to this from this low to this high, you notice that we have this move created from this beginning. We have this move created from this beginning here. You understand? So currently the market came back, testing into this area, and then we are having testing into this area here. If you are joining it, we have a support there. But if you want to like refine your area, then definitely we have a fair value gap inside of this weekly time frame here. So, and then we have our trend line drawn across as well. So I'm going to be highlighting my areas where I'll be targeting first, and that's, I have that area there, so I will be targeting for that, this area 107, and then if we break through, then we go to the next. So let's go to our daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you will notice we have the market tested on that demand there. We tested the demand zone which we have here, and then we are rejecting already. Today is on 3rd of January, and then we are rejecting. So as you can see, the more we go down to a lower time frame, the more we have refined areas where we can target, and then we have a lot of pips there as well. So I'll be going down and to my lower time frame to sort out for entries. But from here, let me talk a little bit about my observation on this area. So if you notice, after the market dropping from the downside and then coming all the way to this zone here, we started correcting, making all this movement, giving us like a sign telling us that the market is losing strength, and definitely we might be bouncing all the way to the upside for some time. So if you notice, we have on this particular leg, the first leg here, we have this green candle here. Is a strong candlestick, but then we did not move all the way to the upside immediately. We still fall back down, you understand? And then we are having this daily candle already. So it's not still valid that yes, it's time for us to enter until we get a reasonable we have a good reason to start buying. And on the daily time frame, I'll be looking out for the breakout of this highs here. High sitting at 105, and then I'll be buying at the retest. So that's my anticipation on the daily time frame there. But now on the daily time frame, we have our double bottom here, which the second button took the lows of the last bottom. So let's go to our forward time frame. So alright guys, so now we are on our forward time frame. So let me zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to be drawing, okay, so drawing that line, we kind of have a descending triangle pattern from there. So I'll call this like the manipulation made on that triangle pattern. All right, so now we are breaking the upper boundary of the pattern on the forward time frame, and then I'm going to be looking out for a retest, and then a continuation to the upside. You get? So that's my lookout on the forward time frame. So we bounce off this area, and then we should be looking at to the upside. Let me delete this down. So we should be looking out for the upside, but then for the market to start buying this way, giving us this move, this strong move, now it's like trying to tell us that the institutions or the bankers are pushing price now. So we just have to scale into it and then find our entry. So dipping down on the 1 hour time frame, we also have our downtrend broken here. We also have our downtrend broken here. So we can also bring it, and then let's say we have a channel as well inside there. So now you can see we are looking at from area to buy, and then I should be going down. Sorry. So and then we should be looking out for the corrective phase of this move. So we might have the market deceive us a little bit, like give us some kind of accumulation before we see the distribution phase, and that's it. So we can also say, okay, let's say we have a trend line, then we are going to be definitely buying at around 60 something percent. So that's it. But since the market has not paused yet, so it's not necessary having the Fibonacci there, so we just remove it, and then we expect that the market give us this correction phase, and then we enter. So that's it guys, see you next time.